This is service elevator 29 at the Highline / Riverwalk corporate zone / terminal, whatever, in the West Building in Southside Plattsburgh, Pennsylvania. This was originally a manual Otis freight elevator, but sadly, it was fairly recently replaced with PTL Performer. I think by Hadfield, but I'm not 100% sure. White LEDs. We're up to level 4. And here we go. This already uses the new labeling P1, P2, L1, L2, L3, and L4. The main Thyssen Dover still uses the old labeling, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last few times I was here, this was like an inspection or something. Now it's finally normal service. Here, level 4. This floor's made some progress since I was last year. I'll go back down to parking 1. Uses that interesting lantern indicator thing. That made for the exterior, but it's in the interior. It's interesting. Basic stainless steel cabinet underneath the padding. 2-speed doors. Interesting done. Yeah, again, this replaced a manual Otis freight. Find the lighting interesting. There's still several other manual Otis freight elevators here. All the description of those in the description. Here, back at parking 1. Some carpet tiles there. There's the fire curtain. There it closes, that's going to be it.